If you want to rejuvenate some plain rice, why don't you try making it into a rice dish with spiced butter? Now, to make this really special, you need really good quality Australian butter. This one in particular is certified organic. So you want a good chunk of butter, about 50 grams, and we're going to place this into a pan and allow it to melt. In that goes. Once that starts to melt, we can start adding the flavours. So some garlic, 1 clove of garlic that I'll finely slice. And this is where we start building on our flavours. Garlic goes in, along with some mustard seeds. And you'll know that they're ready when they start to pop. We'll pop them in the butter. And curry leaves. If you can get fresh, fantastic. Frozen works too, or dried. So a good sprinkling into the butter. Oh. And is there anything better than the smell of melting butter and spices? I just love this. The last few things I'll add is some chilli. I've got some Kashmiri chilli. I like the Kashmiri chilli because it's got that vibrant red colour. And finally, some salt. Give that a swirl. And you want to keep an eye on the butter. If you listen to the butter, it almost tells you it's ready. After that big sizzle, it'll just subside. Just like that, and that looks ready to go. So I'm going to spoon this salty spiced butter over the rice, and just like that, you've taken a very standard dish, just rice, into something very, very special. All that flavour is going to come from that spiced butter. Looks great, tastes even better.